Yeah, it's past this light, I believe. I think it's past this light on the right.
No, it's right here. It's right here.
It's right here. The next one.
Right.
Nice little setup. So this spot is open Wednesday through Sunday from 3 to 8. And the name of this food truck is called Yeah Man.
Some jerk chicken large, right?
Yes.
Yep. And a brown stew large as soon as we get it.
So we ordered 2 plates and they came out to $36. What we get? Yeah, I got that. What we get?
We got the brown stew with the brown rice and peas, and we got jerk chicken with brown rice and peas as well.
So brown stew, jerk chicken, rice, peas. That's what we're trying today. I guess he got a limited selection every day. Today, that's what they have, so that's what I'm gonna enjoy.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna let you go. We're gonna go pick up thank you.
Respect. Enjoy.
What's your name?
Prince.
Rick. Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
That's you too.
Yeah, man. Respect.
And yeah, I gotta come see this, man. This spot is open Wednesday through Sunday, 3 to 8. It's outside a little car dealership called Atali. So first off, this is too mean. This bag here weighs more than my car. Let's check it out. These iced teas, mango, blackberry, from Publix, I endorse them heavy. So let's see what we got here. He ain't lying. Even that says hefty. Hefty is what it is. Check it out. This one right here. Ooh, that looks fire.
That looks super
Check
fire.
that out. My goodness. And the portions are really, really big. Really big.
That looks super fire. It smells so good.
Check it out right here. Ooh.
And that one's steaming.
That one is steaming. Delicious.
I gotta try both of them.
Yeah.
So which one's first?
So this right here is the jerk chicken. Look at how soft it is already.
Wow.
Already very, very soft.
Wow, he got the best piece.
Look at that. Look at how that drips. How delicious does this look right here?
It is dripping.
Oh man. And it's very, very soft. Breaks off very, very easily. Oh. This is fire. This is fire. And it brings that heat too. It brings that heat. This is delicious jerk chicken. I've been to other places for jerk chicken, and it's rather dry. It has the heat, but it's dry. This one is juicy. Look how juicy that is. Look how it falls apart.
Wow, that came right off the bone.
You know? Chicken cooked to perfection. And the flavor. The flavor. Look at that char.
Nothing but flavor.
Look at that char right here. That's banging. Banging jerk chicken. Top notch. You sure? Let me try beef stew. So now we busting out the brown stew. Let me find a good piece. Right here. This is the brown stew. Also very, very, very moist. Look how it breaks apart. Man.
That looks so good.
The flavor on this.
Oh, I want some of that.
This brown stew is official. For sure. For sure. Yeah. Try the rice real quick. Chef Prince. He got flavors. A lot of flavor in this. A lot of flavor. Look at these carrots. Look at this. How delicious do those carrots look? Look at that. The food was delicious. The portions are very generous. My whole family enjoys it. Very good meal. Very good spot. Chef Prince, you did your thing. Shout out to you. On to the next. Alright, so Bosa's never eaten a mellow mushroom. I reviewed this way back in the beginning of the channel. So we're gonna go check it out for Bosa.
Let's check it out.
So we're gonna roll up to Mellow Mushroom in Ocala. It's the outside seating. Yep, giant horse. This is Ocala. Souvenirs. That's their bar over there. They know for their psychedelic menus. So I'm gonna get the meatball trio. Bosa's first time at Mellow Mushroom. These are the meatball trio. It would have been nice if the Parmesan was melted, being that I've already waited a long time for this. That's the inside of it.
Except mozzarella.
Yeah, mozzarella inside. It's got mozzarella inside. It's okay. Not quite as soft as other places. I mean, the meatballs are fine. My complaint is that I like my cheese completely melted, and this is not that melted, and quite frankly, it's not that hot. So they could have melted it. This piece is called the Great White. So this pizza got tomatoes, ricotta, feta, Alfredo sauce too, or no?
Olive oil.
Got some olive oil in it.
Basil.
Never had this one. I'm gonna try it now.
It looks good.
All right, take a slice.
Man, this cheese right up. That was a mouth. Now, that's working.
All right, here you go. Bosa trying mellow mushroom for the first time.
Wow, the pizza is super hot. I can't even pick it up.
The one bite. This pizza was competing with a lot of pizza we've had.
I'm gonna try the Great White for the first time. This is a heavy pizza, though. This weighs like a sumo wrestler. Look at that. A lot of cheesiness, a lot of stuff in there.
You got a nice crunch. It folds up. Very nice.
Mellow mushroom got good pizza.
Yeah.
That pizza's good. The meatballs ain't. The pizza's good, though.
Thank you.
I wouldn't even consider it good. I would say it's a little over good. And what does Dow say?
It's a good pizza.
Good.
Shiitake one is good.
It's got a little ricotta in it, too. So Bosa likes the pizza pretty much for the same reason as me. I was going to mention that. The dough game here is pretty cool. Dough here is good.
It's gooey, crunchy. So I'm about to lost words.
The mushrooms made them mellow. The pizza and mellow mushroom is always good. Got no problem with the pizza. Tried meatballs for the first time. I was not liking it. It looks like they just took cheese and just Threw it on top, wasn't melted. Meatball wasn't even that hot. Ambiance is always fire in there. And the service was very slow, but the server was good. I do like the other locations better. This one was a little off on some things. On to the next.
So we are at Weird Walter's Ice Cream. It's homemade ice cream. Excited to try it. How cute is this garden? This is so cute. Let's check out the indoor seating. Bathrooms, just a place to sit. You order outside. There are a ton of ice cream flavors, very hard to choose. They can't mix, so you need to know what you want. And you can sit outside, and there's options to sit inside as well. Here's the menu. I ordered the waffle cone with the maple, what's it called? Maple crunch toffee. So they make their own waffle cones. And they're pretty good, actually. It's homemade. And I'm already melting. So I'm gonna have to eat this fast. But the maple ice cream, amazing. So good. Highly recommend. It's great on a hot day like today. I don't even know where to start at. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here, finish my ice cream, enjoy it, enjoy the view. I know they hold concerts behind me. It's called Tag. We'll have to check that out at some other time. But right now I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream, enjoy the music. So over here they have the produce stand. And it's $6 a dozen for flowers normally if you want that. But they do have a produce stand. On the other side, you find the bunches of sunflowers that you can buy for $6. Cute little stand. You got very fresh produce. I am taking home a squash and an onion. Prices are on everything. I don't know, guys. These look kind of yummy. Look at these babies. Okay, so I picked out my produce, and now I'm going to head over and get myself kettle corn. Sounds amazing, and it's freshly popped.
Trying to see how it feels for you to get the root out there.
Yeah.
So with your entry, it does include a sunflower. That will be picked up here, or pick one that you like out there.
Thank you.
Have fun.
So we are walking the sunflower maze. These sunflowers are bigger than me. I'm trying to find my little private place here in a sunflower patch. There are quite a few people here this morning. They open at 10. They have a $5 entry, which includes a sunflower of your choice. And they also sell kettle corn, and they also have farm goods, produce for you to buy as well in their stand. Which way do I go? Get tired in the maze? Just pop a squat. Just take it all in.
Maybe people are going this way. I don't think it's
Here's their corn maze. Piece of corn. They're getting ready for October. Time to pick my sunflower. What do you guys think about this one? I had a great time at Smithome Farms and Weird Walter's Creamery. I enjoyed my ice cream and I took some amazing photos with sunflowers. Really enjoyed looking around the farm. But now it's time for me to go and do what I need to do today. Do some adulting. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed what I brought you and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!